A controversy has erupted at Akhandalamani Higher Secondary School after local villagers alleged that valuable trees within the school premises were cut down and sold out without proper authorization. The allegations have sparked resentment among residents and raised questions about the management of government property on the campus. According to villagers, several trees were allegedly felled and sold without any public notice or approval. They have directly accused the school principal of involvement in the matter. Residents also expressed concerns over the handling of other assets belonging to the institution, claiming there is a lack of transparency in their management. Responding to the allegations, the principal denied any wrongdoing and stated that he had not been involved in the cutting or selling of trees. Responding to the allegations, the principal denied any wrongdoing and stated that he had not been involved in the cutting or sale of trees. He further warned that he would file a defamation case against those making what he described as false accusations if the allegations continued. However, villagers have rejected the principal's explanation and are demanding an impartial inquiry into the incident. They argue that trees and other assets within the school campus are government property and must be protected and managed responsibly. Local residents have urged the district administration and the education department to conduct a thorough investigation, ascertain the facts, and take appropriate action if any irregularities are found. From Tihidi, Kalandi Behra's report, Orissapost Live.